morning. Today is Friday. Wow, I can't remember that it's Friday, and it's my favorite day of the week. Today is Friday, December 12th, 2014. Is my last class of the semester and my last final. I'm screaming with joy. Oh my god. So today is music technology. I guess we're ending it on a good note. I liked that class. It was really fun, especially my teacher. He was awesome. But then I had to practice with my other teacher for the jury on Tuesday, so I'm not in the clear yet. But, it's whatever. Yesterday I didn't do so well on the one piece, so he wants to play it again. I got really down yesterday and I was really pissed off. But it happens all the time. I have to realize that. It happens to every musician that plays the pianist and accompaniment, and you just have to really just focus. I mean, I was focused, but I don't know. But hopefully today will go better. So yeah. So now I'm going to drive to school and I'm going to have a great day 'cause it's my last class. And yeah. I just got to school. Now I'm going to head in and then do my final and practice with my teacher and then be done. So guys, see ya on the other side. Okay, bye. Hallelujah. I'm done. I'm done. Oh my god, I'm done. And it's really cold. So I'm going to walk to my car, go home, and then do some fun stuff. Okay, it's really cold now. You know you're a gymnast when you can walk on the curb like it's nothing, like it's a balance beam. Honestly, it's just nothing.
Oh my god.
Shit, more shit. I am not happy about this. I'm not gonna clean it up either. Disgusting.
Let it go, turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway.
Love this part.
It's funny how some distance makes everything seem small. Here
close to a gold star. I like my guy. Mine's winking. Oh, look at her, she's winking. Sorry guys, I fell asleep last night after playing Just Dance and we were watching a movie. But I really hope you enjoyed today's video. And I really appreciate you guys watching them. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!